Yes.
Ma'am, I completed my science notes of chapter 1.
You have sent me on mail.
No, ma'am.
Then you have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I don't have your mail.
Okay, it's Muskan Khatwani mcs@gmail.com. Okay, beta.
Ma'am,
You
may
can.
I show you?
Ma'am, what are you telling now? Ma'am, I am joining the class now.
No, beta. We are just starting with the second chapter where we left on that day, right? We have made a flowchart for the digestion process, right? We were discussing the digestive system in humans, so we will continue with. Okay.
Ma'am, can I show you the notes?
Okay, Drishti, you can show me.
Ma'am, I will send you today.
Okay, Kritika,
Ma'am, let's-
I will check it out.
Ma'am, I will also send you today.
Okay, बच्चा.
lesson 2 के
हाँ जी.
Good morning, ma'am.
We are doing lesson 2, beta. This is not. These are not the etiquettes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, lesson number 1 के ma'am tuition
Ma'am, shall we send a work at your email?
Yes, Yuvika. Unmute yourself. Yuvika Sharma. You can unmute yourself, bacha. And let me know your query. Drishti.
Ma'am.
Yes, Drishti.
Ma'am, I'm showing my notes.
Okay. Keep on turning the pages.
Ma'am, what you are showing?
Oh, Drishti is
Yes,
just
ma'am.
showing me. Drishti, quickly.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, Drishti, fine. Answers you haven't done yet?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing. Half of them are done.
Okay, fine. Do it quickly, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, Drishti.
Ma'am, what you are showing?
Nothing. Drishti was just showing me her regular work. First chapter, which she has done. Okay, I was just checking that. All right, let me check out for Palak why she has raised her hand.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, shall we send our work on your Gmail ID?
yes, you can. Yes, Shanvi.
मैम आपने सेकंड चैप्टर का भी बुक कॉपी में कुछ भी करवाया है क्या?
Yeah, one class I took for second chapter.
Ma'am, can I show my chapter first work also?
You can send me on mail, bacha. I will check it out over there. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Shanvi. Yes, Parthaswar.
मैम आपने मैम फर्स्ट चैप्टर न्यूट्रिशन ऑफ प्लांट के मैम क्वेश्चन आंसर शेयर नहीं कराया ना
किए थे बेटा?
मैम नहीं किया मैम मैम वापस करा दो मैम
Beta, when I have explained the whole chapter, even you guys are able to do that by yourself. We are big enough for that, right? Then too, I have shared them once. Okay, let me try. Let me try. I need to upload the file on it. This actually, I'll try my best to share it. Okay. Yes, Sahil. Mute yourself.
मैम हमारी मम्मा आपसे बात करनी है।
Ask your mama to talk to me, not in between the class. Okay? Ask your mom to talk to me later, beta. Sure? I will definitely talk. Okay? Thank you. Yes. Ananya Jain. Yes, beta.
मैम I have done half work. मैम this we have to make this also. मैम diagram. This diagram.
Yes, these activities I told you now that you guys will write and do by yourself. You have to make
Yes.
second and third. Yes, Ananya.
I have done till this work.
Okay, okay, good, Ananya. Okay, good, beta. Dishti, what happened again?
Ma'am, we have to make this diagram in notes copy or in question answer copy.
You have to make a notes copy.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yuvika, you have raised your hand and you are not unmuting even yourself. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to do the question answers of the chapter
One.
in ma'am question copy, na? In question answers
Yeah.
copy.
2 copies you must have made now. In second one you have to do. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I have cleared all the queries of each and every one. Now shall we start with chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Drishti, okay, Yuvika. Yuvika, I hope you are also sitting in a peaceful environment. I can keep you unmuted, Yuvika. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Please don't raise hand again. We need to start with second chapter. Now what happened? What happened, Dishi?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am ये activity notes copy में करनी है ना?
Yes, bacha. How many times I have told you?
पर मैम हमने तो इसमें सेकंड चैप्टर के नोट्स कर दिए.
कोई बात नहीं, बैक साइड पे कर लीजिए. No issue with that.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Dishi, mute yourself. All right. Let me set this laptop on board. Right. Okay. Give me just 1 second to set it. Put the date and the heading for today.
दो वो ले ले और दो ये ले ले बस. दो ले ले. मम्मी अंडा दे. Ma'am, we have to write this in copy,
Yes.
in notes copy.
Yes. Okay, so that day I have given you a flow chart of digestive tract, that when you eat food, what is the passage of that food, from where that food go, right? So what I told you, first you do the ingestion process, right? That means you take in your into the mouth. Okay, now what happened in mouth with your food? What do you usually do? Mastication, right? Chewing or grinding process hota hai, and your food get mixed with saliva. It gets a little bit slimy so that you can swallow it, right? So who are responsible, what are present, this is known as the mouth or the buccal cavity or the oral cavity, right? Now यहाँ पर a little bit digestion होता है, जो आपके फूड के अंदर कार्बोहाइड्रेट है वो जो ग्लूकोज वो उसमें कन्वर्ट होता है, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पर एमाइलेज एंजाइम है आपके सलाइवा के अंदर प्रेजेंट है, जो कि फूड के डाइजेशन के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. Not I'm talking about that whole digestion occur over here, but a little bit, right? What we are having in our mouth, we are having teeth also, we are having tongue also, and we are having salivary glands also, right? So now we will discuss in detail about each and every part of this digestive tract. What was the part? Do you guys remember? Okay, let's rewind it one, just revise it once. Buccal cavity, then esophagus, then stomach, then small intestine, then large intestine, and then anus, right? This was the normal passage. Along with this, liver was also there, right? To secrete the bile juice. Pancreas was also there to secrete the pancreatic juice, and along with this, salivary glands were there, who are having the amylase in them. Okay, all right. So let's discuss about the buccal cavity or the oral cavity. ये जो buccal cavity होती है माउथ से फूड, buccal cavity के अंदर teeth, tongue और salivary glands होते हैं. Okay, now let's discuss about the teeth. Okay, of teeth, tongue, and salivary glands. So let's discuss about teeth. If I talk about teeth, then teeth का काम क्या होता है? Mastication of food, right? It is responsible for the mastication of food. Is the brightness okay? Or should I increase? All right. So it used to do the mastication, the grinding, the chewing, turning the food into small pieces. This is the work which is done by our teeth, right? ये जो इसको ग्राइंडिंग चूइंग है, mastication कहलाता है ये. जो डाइजेशन है फूड का बक्कल कैविटी के अंदर, उसको मैकेनिकल डाइजेशन भी कहते हैं. देखो किसी भी प्रोसेस को आप मैकेनिकल प्रोसेस कब कहते हो? व्हेन यू आर हैविंग सम इम्प्लीमेंट टू डू दैट. ओके, तो हर एक जो आपकी इस प्रोसेस मैस्टिकेशन की वी आर हैविंग सो मेनी थिंग, राइट? और जो हर एक ट्रुथ है वो एक सेपरेट सॉकेट के अंदर प्रेजेंट रहता है। फाइन, व्हाइट कलर के हार्ड सब्सटेंस है ना, जो कि कवर करता है आउटर इनेमल से, यू नो, इट इज द हार्डेस्ट सब्सटेंस प्रेजेंट इन ह्यूमन बॉडी। इफ आई टॉक अबाउट, if anyone asks that, tell me the hardest substance present in human body, so you will go with enamel only, right? This is the white and the hardest substance which cover your teeth, and your teeth are of different shapes, okay, and they carry out different functions. अलग अलग teeth का अलग अलग काम होता है, all right? We are having 4 different types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Okay, 4 types के होते हैं। कब? When you are having permanent teeth, right? If I talk about on the basis of the time period, then up to the childhood stage, almost after 6, 7, 8 years, your permanent teeth start coming, right? Your temporary teeth will fall down and teeth will replace them. But these permanent teeth will not be replaced again, right? If you will lose these permanent teeth, then you need to go for the artificial one, okay? But जो मिल्क टीथ होते हैं वो टूट जाते हैं और दोबारा आ जाते हैं, okay? So how many incisors, canines and molars we are having? Incisors की अगर मैं बात करूं तो ये कटिंग टीथ होते हैं, okay? Let me I will share a picture of this. Like to share a picture for this. Just check in your book right now, and I'm going to show you a video that will make this concept more clearer. Check in your book. Yes. Are you able to see? These are the 4, the starting 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. ये starting के आगे के जो front teeth होते हैं, what are these? These are the incisors. So how many incisors you are having? 4 in the lower jaw and 4 in the upper jaw. 4 here and 4 here, right? Total how many we are having? Total 8. Okay. 4 in the upper jaw, 4 in the lower jaw. Now what is the function of these incisors? ये जो आपके front teeth हैं, ये जो incisors हैं, इनका काम क्या होता है? इनका काम होता है बाइट करना, कट करना फूड को। When you want to eat something, what you do? You used to bite with your teeth only, the front teeth only, right? You used to cut with your front teeth only. So what is the function of incisors? To cut the food, okay? To bite the food. This is the function of incisor. Now if I talk about canine, canine को क्या? Clearing teeth. Okay, how many canines you are having? Anybody knows?
Yes, ma'am.
ये in side, yes, 2 in number in each jaw, okay? 2 in number in each jaw. Sharp pointed teeth होते हैं जो कि clearing के लिए help करते हैं. Just check this diagram. Yes, these are the canine. 1 on each side of these 4 incisors, right? 1 here and 1 here, right? So these, ये जो side वाले हैं, these are the canines. If you want to tear any packet, what you do? You usually use your canines for tearing that packet and all, right? So canines are the tearing teeth, right? The animals which are these are sharp and pointed. So animals who are carnivores.
Ma'am,
they
please
use to-
side.
That's why I was speaking a side only. Beta. Okay, so the animals who used to eat flesh of other animals, they use their sharp and pointed canines, okay, to eat their flesh. How many canines we are having? 2 in each jaw, okay. Incisors कितने थे? 4 in each jaw. Canines कितने? 2 in each jaw. All right. Now come to the premolars. Premolars क्या होते हैं? Grinding teeth होते हैं. Okay, they are also known as grinding teeth. Where they are present? They are there are 2 premolars which are present just after the canine. Okay, and they are, that means 4 in each jaw, 2 on each side. All right. How many premolars I am having? Just like incisors, they are also 4 in each jaw. But are you able to see here? that two on one each side they are having, right? Just after canines, two premolars are here and two premolars are here. That means four in each jaw. But incisors are continued. They are not continued. They are two on this side, two on this side. That means four in each jaw, four in lower jaw, four in upper jaw. Total 8 premolars we are having. Okay. Just revise it again. How many incisors? If I talk about just one jaw, four incisors, two canines, one on each side, and four premolars, two on each side. Okay. मोलार्स का काम क्या है? केनाइंस का काम था टीयरिंग का. प्रीमोलार्स का काम क्या है? ग्राइंडिंग का. Okay. They have broad, flat grinding surfaces, so they will grind the food and break it into small pieces. Now, if I talk about molars, alright, molars क्या होते हैं? Grinding teeth होते हैं molars. We don't remember molars and premolars both are known as the grinding because of their flat surfaces. Okay. So remaining teeth जो है वो molars हैं. How many molars we are having? 6. Are you able to see here in this diagram? We are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in each jaw, 3 on each side. Okay. So सबसे ज्यादा कौन से teeth होते हैं? Molars, right? 6 in each jaw. That means total 12 in number हो गया. All right. Shall we start revise again? Incisors, two canines, one on each side. How many premolars we are having? 4. 2 in on each side. And how many molars? 6 in each jaw, 3 on each side. Clear है? ठीक है. अभी जो molars होते हैं, इनका काम क्या होता है? They are also having the same function of grinding. So ये जो teeth होते हैं, they also have flat surfaces, as I have told you even earlier too. Okay. But ये थोड़े बड़े होते हैं premolars. अब आप बोलोगे मैम they are also grinding teeth. Yeah, these are also grinding teeth. They are also premolars are also having flattened grinding surface. They are also having. So what is the difference between premolars and molars? Their function is also the same. They are having a little bit difference in their structure, their number, etc. Okay, so they are larger than premolars and they are also used to crush and grind the food. Okay, clear है? Fine. How many teeth we are having? Total 32. And if I talk about the milk teeth, they are 20 in number. Okay. So human being teeth grows twice: temporary set and permanent set. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Shall we start writing about teeth now? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Food is chewed and grinded to teeth. Okay. In present on the is the hardest substance of human body. Now let's go for
Ma'am, the lower board is not visible from the
okay,
lower
let
side.
me check.
Yes, ma'am. Now
Okay.
it is visible.
Types of teeth. Incisors. Canines. Premolars. And fine. These are the 4 different types of teeth. What is the function of incisors? They are known as the cutting teeth. Okay. Bite and cut the food. They are used for, okay. Then comes the canines. They are used for tear the food. They are used for tearing of food. Okay. Premolars. They are used for grinding of food. And molars. They are used for crushing and grinding. Now let's discuss about their number. Okay, just make a table like this. Type of teeth, number in each joint, total number. First, we are going to talk about incisors. How many incisors we are having in each jaw? 4. So total we are having 8. I hope I can wrap this part. Yes, Ananya, you have raised your hand.
मैम जो आपने मैम दैट मैम टाइप ऑफ टीथ के मैम जो उसमें नीचे लिखा है वो क्या लिखा है मैम?
Incisors, they are being used to cut the food.
Cut the teeth, cut the food.
Cut the food. It was
Yes.
wrapped when I wrapped the lower sentence.
Yes.
Okay, Ananya. You can mute yourself again.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay. I can wrap it. Then come the canines. How many canines we are having in each jaw? 2. Bracket में कर लीजिए, 1 on each side. Okay. So total how many we are having? 4. How many premolars we are having? Premolars we are having 2 on each side. That means 4 in number.
Ma'am, please side.
Total 8 we are having. And if I talk about molars, they are maximum in number as compared to these 3. We are having 6 in each dog, 3 on each side. That means 12 in number. Now just count how many total teeth we are having. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 and 8, 28. 28 and 4, 32. So if I talk about an adult, then an adult is having total 32. Teeth as permanent teeth. We are just talking about permanent teeth, not the temporary one. Remember. Note it down quickly. Yes, Nidhi Khandelwal.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, notes
Yes.
separate copy बनेगी.
Yes, beta. Many times in each and every class I have told you, you guys have to make 2 copies. In the first one, you will write down these classwork, the notes, whatever I'm explaining, right? And
Yes,
in
ma'am.
second one, you will do the question answers.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, you're welcome. Mute yourself. Yes, Shanvi.
Ma'am, I can't see lower down the board.
It is visible.
Yes, ma'am, now this is visible.
Note it down quickly.
Ma'am, I have
Mute
done.
yourself, Shanvi, again. Okay, Shanvi. Yes, Parth, what happened now?
मैम क्वेश्चन आंसर के लिए मैम दो एक कॉपी अलग से बनानी है ना.
Yes.
मैम हमने मैम जो आप नोट्स कराते हो ना मैम उस कॉपी में मैम हमने ना पेज छोड़ दिए मैम 4 पेज छोड़ दिए क्वेश्चन आंसर के मैम और मैम सेकंड चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया है मैम.
Now paste these pages. Paste these pages.
Okay.
And do your work in another copy. I want all the question answers in one single copy.
और मैम ये जो आप नोट्स कराते हो मैम उसकी ब्लू कॉपी बनानी है ग्रीन.
Any copy you can make.
मैम आई मेक ग्रीन कॉपी.
Good. No issue.
And ma'am, please share ma'am lesson number 1 question answer ma'am sir.
Okay. Yes, and see what happened. Check it. Nancy.
Ma'am, we have not done the MCQs on page number 20.
Sorry, Mansi, audible to me. Please speak again.
Ma'am, we have not done the MCQs of page number 20.
Okay, you can do by yourself. No issues with that. We have completed the whole chapter. I have explained you the whole chapter. Okay, no issue. Lower down your hand part as well. And keep on switch on your video. Have you guys done? Shall we move further? Because I need to wrap.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, sorry, class is about to over. Fine. So in my next class, we will discuss furthermore